Welcome, my friend. Today, we're going to have an important conversation about maintaining your strength and independence as you age without breaking the bank. If you're over 60 and worried that quality protein costs too much, I have encouraging news that could transform both your health and your budget. Let me start with a promise. What I'm sharing today isn't about cutting corners or settling for less. Instead, you'll discover the most powerful, affordable muscle-building foods that actually work better than those expensive supplements filling store shelves. These are real, wholesome foods that have nourished generations before us, waiting quietly in your local grocery store while flashier products grab all the attention. Understanding our muscle challenge after 60. Here's a truth every senior needs to hear. After age 50, our bodies naturally lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass each year. By the time we reach 80, we might have lost 30% of our strength. This isn't just a statistic. It affects whether you can lift your grandchildren, carry groceries, maintain balance, or continue living independently in your own home. Meanwhile, protein prices have soared. Premium meats, specialty health foods, and protein powders marketed to seniors can drain your budget faster than you might imagine. Many seniors tell me they're spending over $200 monthly on protein supplements, yet they're still losing strength and energy. But here's what the fitness industry won't tell you. The most effective proteins for building senior muscle aren't found in expensive supplement stores. They're sitting in the regular aisles of your grocery store, overlooked because they lack fancy packaging and celebrity endorsements. 3 years of research revealed this. For the past 3 years, I've been investigating why some seniors stay remarkably strong into their 80s and 90s, while others become frail, despite having similar incomes. The answer surprised me completely. The strongest seniors weren't spending the most on nutrition. In fact, many spent considerably less than their weakening peers. The difference wasn't how much they spent, but what they chose to buy. They understood which affordable foods provide bioavailable protein that aging muscles can actually use. Before we explore these 7 foods, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me about your current protein choices and any challenges you face with food costs. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more practical health advice designed specifically for seniors. 7 affordable proteins that build real muscle. Let's explore these budget-friendly powerhouses, starting with the good and building to the absolutely essential. I'll share exact costs, explain why they outperform expensive alternatives, and show you how to prepare them for maximum benefit. 7th place, canned sardines, small fish, huge benefits. For just $1.25 per can, sardines deliver 23 grams of complete protein. I know some of you are skeptical about sardines, but these little fish pack more muscle-building power than foods costing 5 times as much. Sardines provide all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need, plus omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation. This combination is crucial because as we age, chronic inflammation slowly breaks down muscle tissue faster than we can rebuild it. The omega-3s in sardines help stop this destructive process. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed seniors for 3 years. Those eating fatty fish like sardines twice weekly lost significantly less muscle than those who rarely ate fish. Even better, sardine eaters maintained superior grip strength and walking speed, proving these benefits translate into real-world function. Each can costs about the same as a single protein bar but provides more complete nutrition. Those soft bones you can eat? They're loaded with calcium for bone health. Strong bones and strong muscles work together. You need both to stay independent. Sardines require no cooking and last months in your pantry. Stock up during sales and always have quality protein ready. Unlike fresh fish that spoils quickly, sardines are there when you need them. If the taste concerns you, try mashing sardines with avocado on whole grain toast. Add lemon and herbs to brighten the flavor. Mix them into pasta salads or scrambled eggs. Spread them on crackers with hot sauce. Start with 1 can weekly, and notice the difference in your energy and strength. 6th place, cottage cheese, your nighttime muscle builder. A 16-ounce container costs about $2.50, providing 24 grams of protein per cup. Cottage cheese might seem old-fashioned, but it's perfectly designed for senior muscle maintenance. Cottage cheese contains mostly casein protein, which digests slowly over several hours. Think of it as time-release nutrition for your muscles. While you sleep or go about your day, cottage cheese keeps feeding your muscles steadily, not all at once like other proteins. This matters because aging muscles develop something called anabolic resistance. They don't respond to protein as readily as younger muscles. The steady stream from casein helps overcome this resistance, ensuring more protein actually builds muscle instead of being wasted. McMaster University research showed that older adults consuming casein protein gained muscle mass and strength even without exercise. Participants ate it before bed, letting the slow-digesting protein work during overnight recovery. Since sleep often becomes fragmented with age, having protein working while you rest is invaluable. That 16-ounce container provides about 100 grams of protein for less than 3 cents per gram. Compare that to protein bars costing 10 times more per gram, and cottage cheese becomes an obvious choice. Studies show seniors eating cottage cheese 4 times weekly had better muscle mass and grip strength than those who didn't. Interestingly, cottage cheese eaters also showed improved bone density, likely from the calcium content combined with protein. Choose full-fat cottage cheese over low-fat versions. The healthy fats improve protein absorption and help you feel satisfied longer. They also help absorb vitamin D, essential for muscle function. Enjoy cottage cheese plain, mixed with berries, blended in smoothies, or as a base for savory dishes with herbs and vegetables. Some people replace expensive ricotta with cottage cheese in recipes, saving money while boosting protein. 5th place. Lentils. The plant protein surprise. At under $1.50 per pound, lentils provide 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. Don't let their humble appearance fool you. Lentils offer comprehensive nutrition that supports muscle growth while providing sustained energy. Lentils combine protein with fiber, iron, and B vitamins in ways that uniquely support senior muscle health. The iron content is particularly important. Many seniors have hidden iron deficiency that saps strength and energy before showing up in blood tests. This subclinical deficiency often gets blamed on normal aging when it's actually fixable with better nutrition. Remarkably, lentils contain significant amounts of leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle building. While not complete proteins alone, lentils provide all essential amino acids when combined with grains or nuts throughout your day. This makes them perfect for seniors wanting to reduce meat consumption without sacrificing muscle. The Journal of Nutrition published research showing that seniors regularly eating legumes like lentils maintained better muscle mass and physical function than those relying mainly on animal proteins. Researchers credited the anti-inflammatory compounds in lentils, which create an environment where muscles can thrive instead of just survive. A pound of dried lentils provides about 8 servings of quality protein for less than 20 cents per serving. That's extraordinary value for muscle-building nutrition. Unlike beans requiring overnight soaking, lentils cook in 30 minutes. Red lentils cook fastest and create creamy textures perfect for seniors with chewing difficulties. Green and brown lentils hold their shape better for salads and grain bowls. Cook lentils with turmeric, ginger, and garlic. These spices enhance flavor while adding anti-inflammatory benefits that support muscle health. Batch cook on weekends and use throughout the week in soups, salads, and side dishes. 4th place. Canned tuna, convenient complete protein. $1 per can gets you 22 grams of high-quality protein. Canned tuna delivers the same premium protein as expensive fresh fish, plus convenience and affordability that make it perfect for senior budgets. Tuna's protein is remarkably complete and bioavailable. Your body absorbs over 90% of tuna's protein, even if you're over 70. As digestion naturally becomes less efficient with age, This high absorption rate becomes increasingly valuable. The amino acid profile in tuna is perfectly balanced for muscle synthesis. It's also naturally low in fat and calories, ideal for building lean muscle without excess weight that stresses joints. At less than 5 cents per gram of protein, tuna costs a fraction of protein powders that run 15 to 20 cents per gram. You're getting better quality protein for far less money. Choose water-packed tuna to control calories. Chunk light tuna is most affordable, while albacore offers slightly more protein. Eat it from the can, mix into salads, combine with eggs for patties, or toss with pasta and vegetables. The FDA confirms that 12 ounces of low-mercury fish like light tuna weekly is perfectly safe for adults. This provides abundant muscle-building nutrition within healthy limits. Rotate between tuna, salmon, and sardines for variety and optimal nutrition. Third place. Whole eggs. Nature's perfect protein. At $2.50 per dozen, eggs provide 6 grams of complete protein each. For just 20 cents per egg, you get the highest quality protein available in any whole food, plus nutrients that support muscle function in ways supplements cannot match. Eggs have the best protein quality score of any whole food. Your body uses nearly all the protein they contain. For seniors whose digestive systems may struggle with protein absorption, this superior bioavailability is priceless. Don't make the mistake of eating only egg whites. The yolk contains half the protein plus leucine, vitamin D, and choline, all crucial for muscle health. University of Illinois research found that whole eggs produced 40% better muscle response than egg whites alone, even with equal protein amounts. Eggs are among the few food sources of vitamin D, which directly impacts muscle strength. The vitamin D in eggs comes packaged with fats that enhance absorption naturally, unlike supplements that often pass through unabsorbed. 72 grams of complete protein for $2.50 makes eggs incredibly economical. They're endlessly versatile too. Scramble with vegetables, poach over toast, hard-boil for snacks, or make omelets with whatever ingredients you have. Recent research has cleared eggs of heart disease concerns for most people. The choline in yolks supports brain health, maintaining the mind-muscle connection needed for exercise and daily activities. Second place, Greek yogurt, round-the-clock muscle support. $5 for a 32-ounce container provides 20 grams of protein per cup. For about 80 cents per serving, Greek yogurt delivers dual-action protein that works continuously to build and maintain muscle. Greek yogurt contains both fast-acting whey and slow-releasing casein proteins. Whey provides immediate muscle fuel, while casein sustains muscle feeding for hours. This combination is ideal for seniors whose muscles need constant nutritional support. The probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health, which research shows directly impacts nutrient absorption and inflammation levels. Healthy gut bacteria help you extract more nutrition from all foods, making every protein dollar more effective. Tufts University found that seniors eating Greek yogurt daily showed better muscle mass and physical function than those eating regular yogurt or none. After 12 weeks, Greek yogurt eaters had measurably improved walking speed and leg strength. A 32-ounce container provides 160 grams of protein at 3 cents per gram, competitive with the cheapest protein sources. You also get calcium for bones, B vitamins for energy, and beneficial bacteria for digestion. Choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt without added sugars. Use it in smoothies, as sour cream substitute, with berries and nuts, or to marinate meats. The versatility ensures you'll never get bored while building muscle. First place, dried beans, the ultimate budget muscle builder. At $1.20 per pound, dried beans provide 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. With 12 servings per pound at just 10 cents each, beans are simply the most affordable muscle-building food available anywhere. But beans offer far more than just cheap protein. They provide complex carbohydrates for energy, fiber for gut health, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron that muscles need to function and grow. The fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria that reduce inflammation, while the carbohydrates fuel muscle repair and growth. A 5-year study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors eating beans regularly maintained significantly better muscle mass and physical function than those who didn't. Bean eaters showed lower inflammation markers, better overall health, and remarkably, lower rates of falls and fractures requiring hospitalization. While beans aren't complete proteins alone, your body combines them with other foods throughout the day to create complete amino acid profiles. This flexibility makes meal planning easier for seniors who prefer smaller, more frequent meals. The variety is wonderful. Black beans provide antioxidants, kidney beans offer folate, chickpeas deliver extra protein, and navy beans excel in fiber. Rotating varieties prevents boredom while maximizing nutrition. At less than 1 cent per gram of protein, nothing else comes close. 1 pound of dried beans provides as much protein as 9 protein bars but costs the same as just 1 bar. Yes, beans require cooking time, but a slow cooker or pressure cooker makes bulk preparation simple. Cook on weekends, freeze in portions, and enjoy throughout the week. Add to soups, mash into spreads, toss in salads, or serve with grains for complete protein. Your practical action plan. Now you know these 7 affordable muscle builders. Let's put this knowledge to work immediately. Start this week with just 2 foods. Have Greek yogurt with breakfast. Pack sardines or tuna for lunch. Make bean soup for dinner. Calculate your current protein spending and compare it to these alternatives. You'll likely discover you can double your nutrition while halving your costs. Consistency matters more than perfection. Begin with foods you enjoy and gradually add others. Stock your pantry with canned fish and dried beans. Make eggs and Greek yogurt daily staples. Within weeks, you'll notice improved energy, better recovery, and strength that keeps you independent. The truth about building senior muscle. Building muscle after 60 doesn't require expensive supplements or premium foods. These 7 affordable options prove that effective nutrition is often the simplest and least expensive. Using foods that have nourished humans for centuries, you can build more muscle for less money than those spending hundreds monthly on supplements. Every dollar spent on these foods invests in your strength, independence, and quality of life. You're not just buying protein. You're purchasing the ability to remain active, engaged, and self-sufficient. Your muscles don't care about fancy packaging or celebrity endorsements. They respond to consistent, quality nutrition you can afford long-term. Choose wisely, and you'll maintain strength and vitality without financial stress. If this information helped you, please share it with others who might be struggling to maintain strength on a budget. No senior should believe they can't afford to stay strong when nature provides such effective, affordable solutions. Subscribe to our channel and activate notifications for more evidence-based advice on healthy aging. Comment below with your favorite budget protein tips or questions about muscle maintenance. Remember, your strength and independence don't depend on expensive products. They depend on smart, consistent choices with affordable, nutritious foods. Stay strong, stay healthy, and invest wisely in your well-being. Thank you for joining me today. Your best years can still be ahead of you, filled with strength, vitality, and the independence you deserve. The path forward is clear, affordable, and completely within your reach.